There may be situations when a learner appears unengaged, and they're actually struggling with the learning. Understanding the different learning styles and the notion that individuals learn differently can frame our facilitation skills to better meet the needs of the learner. Several learning style assessments are available. The sample questions here from the VAK Learning Styles Assessment Questionnaire is an example of this. Ask the learner key questions regarding preferences for receiving information. That can assist the facilitator in identifying common learning styles within the cohort. The focus is to identify the means by which the learner best understands and integrates the information. Learners may prefer one of the three methods: visual, auditory, or kinesthetic methods of learning. Discovering the optimal means of content delivery will help the facilitator better target learning aptitude and help facilitate better and perhaps faster learning outcomes. Good facilitators do not implement a one-size-fits-all with the learners, but they use learning assessments and facilitation tools that are available to you to differentiate the experience between learners. Individualized learners benefit from multiple approaches to facilitation and learning. The value of the e-learning environment is the availability of many tools to help meet the needs of multiple learning styles. Encouraging the learner to understand their learning style and preferences and facilitating the use of learning tools to meet those learning provides differentiated learning and promotes learner accountability. Providing learners with insight into their style and guidance on resources to engage in self-directed learning fits the andragogy model of adult learning and promotes meaning and context for the learning reinforcement. Consider two additional factors: the learning and learning preference. There's the social learner and the solitary learner. Those with social learning style will enjoy group learning or engaging with others in conversation to enhance learning. This learner will benefit from group projects and will enjoy the volley of ideas with the discussion board going back and forth. This type of learner may miss the personal connection with others that the traditional classroom learning environment offers. But if provided social learning opportunities through facilitated group assignments, discussion board interactions, team-based projects, the learner can feel a part of the learning community. Conversely, the solitary learner prefers quiet thought and reflection and individual activities to facilitate learning. Others may perceive this learner as not engaged because they're inclined to post less frequently in discussion boards and do not enjoy group activities. The solitary learner, though, can still be engaged and encouraged to share thoughts and perspectives. Giving this type of learner time to do independent research, form thoughts and ideas may help their engagement. Providing this learner with a specific topic to explore and report back to the cohort will help foster their engagement with the peer learners. Once they get comfortable making posts, they'd be more open to including themselves to participate in group discussion threads. The e-learning environment demands a good deal of responsibility for learning be placed directly on the learner. Learners need to be self-motivated and structured and need to demonstrate participation through the various e-learning tools. This is known as learner accountability. To guide accountability, facilitators set expectations. They provide support for the learning styles, and they structure assignments and activities to foster learning and engagement across learning styles.